Them say Rasta no fi eat pork, right? Hi, this is Brains and the Beat here. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, thank you for sticking tuned. Thank you for staying tuned. And it says Rasta charged for stealing pig. I thought this was funny. A 54-year-old Rastafarian woman from St. James was among 5 persons arrested and charged with stealing a pig, which the police found stashed away in the trunk of a car they were sitting in. Reports are that about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, a police patrol team, which is assigned to the zone of special operations, saw a white station wagon motor car with 5 persons parked along a roadway in Montego Bay. When the police pulled up beside the vehicle, they heard squeals coming from the trunk of the vehicle. Before they could investigate, the dreadlock woman who was at the steering wheel sped off. Guilty. Why did you speed off? The police gave chase and the car was intercepted a short distance away. The 5 occupants were ordered from the vehicle, and when the car trunk was opened, a large pig jumped out and began to run. The animal was chased and held by one of the officers. When the occupants of the car were asked to account for the animal, one of the men who the police said is a known cocaine addict in the community promptly pointed to the Rastafarian woman, saying she had stolen the pig from her neighbor's yard. Say what? Say a Rasta thief pig, asked one policeman. His questions was followed by laughter as those who gathered poked fun at the woman. Rasta, why you thief the people them pig? Asked a bystander, sparked more laughter. Officer, she was going to baptize it and call it Arlene. The woman and her companion were taken back to the yard where the pig was allegedly stolen from. The animal was identified by its owner, and all 5 were subsequently arrested and charged. So, them say Rasta no fi eat pig. I wonder what this Rastafarian woman was going to do with this pig, if she was going to eat it, if she was going to sell it, if she just tired of the pig in her neighbor's yard making a lot of noise, squealing and disturbing her sleep, so she was trying to get rid of it. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. I find it funny. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man.
Hey, all them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.